Hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it is time to unbox the Mystery Box Monday box. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another unboxing. And thank you guys so much for watching live on Monday. For those of you who don't know how this works, every Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I go live and I present a box. So this is the box for this week. But this week's box has a spin on it because it's the box plus the contents of this bag. Now, every week, the box is a different shape, a different size, a different weight. The box has a different theme, different contents, different retail value, and different costs. So this week, the box is called the Summertime Box. Summer, summertime, as in the Fresh Prince and Jazzy Jeff song. And everything in this box reminds you of summertime, helps you get ready for the summertime, or things that you only use during the summertime. So that's why it's called the Summertime Box. So then I also give you clues, at least 10 clues, so that you can try to guess what is in this box. And then based off of the clues and the answers that everyone's given in the chat, you decide if you want to buy the box or not. Now, this week, the box retailed for $125, meaning that if you went to like Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, or any store like that, it would cost you $125 to buy everything that's in the box. But if you purchase the box only costs you $40. So you see that you're always getting an incredible value by buying the box. And for those of you who have shopped with me before, you guys know that all of my items are name brand, high quality items. I don't do dollar store junk and things like that. So even though it's called a mystery box, you still get the best bang for your buck by buying my boxes. And then I do a pre-recorded video of me either packing the box or unpacking the box so that you can see all of the contents in the box. I will air that video on Friday at 8 p.m. That way you can see how many guesses you got right during the live, or maybe you wanted to buy the box, but you just weren't sure if that was the box for you, or you're not familiar with what types of things I put in the box, so you wanted to hold off. Well, now you get to see what's in the box, and hopefully you'll come back on Monday at 8 p.m. either on Facebook or YouTube and buy the next box. So let's jump right into it, guys. Let's get started. So this box is called the Summertime Box. Summertime. And like I said, this box has a little twist on it because you get this box and you get this bag. So you guys know I always stuff the boxes to the very tip top. And I really wanted these two items to be included in the box, but they wouldn't fit. So that's why we have two separate things. So we're going to do those two things last. And we're going to go over everything that's in the box. So the first thing that comes out of the box is one of these pet eggs. Now remember, the theme for the box is summertime. So we all want to make sure that our feet are right for the summertime, for when we wear those open-toe shoes, our sandals, our flip-flops, our heels showing. We don't want crusty heels and all of that, calluses. So here's a pet egg to help you get right for this. Now, the clue that this goes to is, I gave you a clue. I said, use this for calluses and dry skin on your feet. So here is a pet egg. Okay. The other thing that was in the box is this, which is a instant cooling towel. It is a reusable instant cooling towel. And this goes with the clue. I said there is something that you roll. So there's actually two things in here that you roll, but this is one of them. And then I also said there is something in here that you use for hydration. So that would be this cooling towel also. Then here is a small cutting board, bamboo cutting board. And this goes with the clue that says you can use this for fresh fruits, and mainly in the summertime, because normally the fruits that we like really cut up and use on a cutting board are usually summertime fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, melon. So Here is a bamboo cutting board. Here is a candle in a tin, and this candle is a rose scent. And I don't know, did this have a clue? No, this doesn't have a clue, but the reason why this particular candle and scent was put in here, because when you smell this candle, it does smell like roses, like a nice rose bush. But it also smells like a bouquet of flowers. And when I think of nice smelly flowers, I think of the summertime. So that's why I included this candle. Here is also a manicure set, and it is a travel manicure set. It has the fingernail clipper, the nail and cuticle nipper, cuticle scissors, cuticle pusher, slant tweezers, nail file, and a black travel case. So I included this because this is something you get your nails ready for the summer, but you also get your toenails ready for the summer. And it is a travel nail set, and you do a lot of traveling during the summer. So that's why this was included. Next is a band roll-on deodorant. This clue also goes with something that you roll, because you roll this under your arms. But the other reason why I put this in for the summertime is because we tend to use more deodorant in the summertime because we sweat so much. Next, I put in some Dunkin' cold Keurig cups. And I said there is something in here that you drink, and it can be hot or cold. So I said hot or cold because if someone would have guessed tea, tea can be hot or cold. But I chose to put the Dunkin' cold in because a cold drink is more refreshing in the summertime than hot tea. Then next is this pitcher. This is a 6-piece set. It is a pitcher, and it has 5 tumblers in it. And that goes with the clue. I said there was a 6-piece set usually used for picnics, gatherings, and etc. So when I look at this reminds me of the summertime. Like, this reminds me of like making a pitcher of Kool-Aid, a pitcher of lemonade, a pitcher of iced tea, and then sharing it in cups, like at a cookout, a family gathering, or something like that. So that's why this was included. Here is a travel size Dial body wash, and that goes with the clue. There's a travel item in here. So actually there were 2 travel items, the nail kit and the body wash, but the travel item specifically went for the Dial body wash because you tend to take more trips and travel during the summertime. So I wanted to make sure that you had plenty of body wash. Then here is an anti-frizz detangling hair mask. So I put that in there because a lot of the times we as women, our hair gets frizzy during the summertime from all the humidity. So that clue goes with that item goes with the clue. Where is it at? Something used to protect your hair and stop frizzing in the humidity. Okay, here is a 5-pack of emery boards. So I said there was a clue. It says there's a type of board. And I said there's actually 2 items in here that is a blank board. So here's the emery board, and then we had the cutting board. Here is a shower steamer fizzy. So I like to use these during the summertime because number one, they smell really, really good. But when you use these in the summertime, it seems like the heat extends the fragrance like all throughout your bathroom, into your bedroom, into your hallway, and it usually lasts a little longer. So that's why I put this in here for the summertime. Then here is a Bior charcoal. One second. Bior charcoal whipped purifying face mask. And I said this goes with the clue. We use this to clear our pores of sweat and dirt. So in the summertime, we tend to sweat more, and which creates more dirt on our face. And we tend to touch our face more because we're wiping the sweat off of our face. So that's why I put the face mask in. Then here is a small freezer pack, ideal for insulated totes. Keeps your cooler content cold for hours, cold as ice without the icy mess. So I included this because a lot of the times in the summer, you know, we take picnics, we carry more food, and we do different things. So that's why I wanted to include this. Okay. So that's all that was in the box. But then in the bag, we have a Chic Intuition razor. For those of you who have never used this is a high-end razor, and I love it. It is so smooth on your legs. This is not a disposable razor. You do need replacements. And this particular one has, you actually don't have to use a shaving gel because it lather and shave in one step. And and this is the organic cocoa butter one. Oh my God, it smells delicious. So I gave a clue that it removes hair. Also, the clue that I gave for this, I said this is something that you use in picnic bags, lunch bags, and beach bags. So that was this. And then I also gave a clue that said there's something in here that you use in the shower, you can use on the beach or everyday walking. So I included a pair of sandals / flip-flops. And because of the material, I mean, they're non-skid, but because of the material, they're good for like when you go traveling and, you know, you use the shower, or if you're on the beach and you don't want your sandals to get wet, you can use these, or just wear them every day. I think these sandals are super, super cute. I do have a pair for myself, but it's really funny because I couldn't record this video prior to me going live with everything because I had a couple pair of sandals in different sizes and different colors. So I had to wait to see who purchased the box and get their shoe size. And then depending on their shoe size would determine which color sandal they would get. So I didn't want to record the video and show maybe a black pair of sandals, but then the person actually got the silver pair, or vice versa, or recorded with the red pair and they got the black pair. So I had to wait to see who bought the box, get their shoe size, and then be able to put the right shoe size in the box. So these were the 15 items that were in the box. And again, the box was valued at $125, but it's sold for $40. So now you guys see how the box works. Again, this was the summertime theme. All of this was in the box. And next week, we'll have a totally new theme, new value, new items. And I also said that in this box, there were a lot of new items that had never been in any of the other mystery boxes. I said maybe some of the items were in the box, but they were a different brand, or just totally new brand items and everything. So one thing is we've never had shoes, sandals, slippers, anything like that in the boxes. We've had socks, but not actual shoes and things. So this was a new item. The ice pack is a new item. The reusable instant cooling towel is a new item. The shower frizzy is a new item. The manicure kit is a new item. Now we've had nail clippers, and we've had emery boards, but we've never had the entire kit. The ped egg is new. We've had deodorant, but we didn't have the band deodorant. We've had candles. We've never had the Biore face mask, and we've never had the anti-frizz detangling hair mask. Now, we've had other masks, but not the anti-frizz detangling mask. We've never had this pitcher with the cup set. We've never had the Dial body wash. We've had body wash, but not the Dial travel size body wash. We've never had a cutting board, and we've never had this Intuition razor. We've had plenty of razors, all different brand razors, but we've never had the Intuition razors. So guys, this is it. This is everything that comes in the summertime box. So I hope that you like the box. I hope that you were able to get a couple guesses right and get the concept of how we do Mystery Box Monday, and come back next Monday and tune in, see how many guesses you can get right, and see if you want to buy the box. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your participation. I appreciate you supporting the channel, and I appreciate you watching the unboxing of our mystery box. So until the next time, keep on saving.